Did you know there are simple habits you can adopt today that could add years to your life? Surprising, right? And no, these aren't the generic tips you hear everywhere. These are backed by studies and often overlooked by doctors. 1. Prioritize sleep quality. Studies show that getting 7-8 hours of high-quality sleep can improve your immune system and brain health, reducing your risk of chronic diseases by up to 40%. Ditch the late-night screen time and focus on deep, restorative sleep. 2. Eat for longevity. A diet rich in leafy greens, healthy fats, and fiber can reduce inflammation and boost heart health. Harvard researchers even link the Mediterranean diet to a longer lifespan. Bonus, a cheat day here and there doesn't hurt. 3. Stay active daily. It's not about hitting the gym hard. Just 30 minutes of moderate activity, like brisk walking, can lower your risk of heart disease and diabetes by 35%. 4. Embrace strength training. After 40, we lose muscle mass. Strength training twice a week can not only reverse this, but also keep your bones strong and metabolism high. 5. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Stress is a silent killer. Research from the Mayo Clinic reveals that mindfulness can reduce cortisol levels and improve overall well-being. Just 10 minutes a day can make a difference. 6. Build strong relationships. Loneliness has been linked to health risks as severe as smoking. Spend time with loved ones and nurture meaningful connections. They're worth their weight in gold. 7. Stay curious and keep learning. Engaging in lifelong learning keeps your brain sharp and wards off cognitive decline. Take up a new hobby, read, or even learn a language. 8. Hydrate wisely. Drinking enough water keeps your skin youthful and your organs functioning optimally. Add a squeeze of lemon for an antioxidant boost. Cliffhanger. These 8 habits are life-changing, but here's the thing. There's one more secret tip that could completely transform how you age. Curious? Stay tuned for our next video. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed advice to live your healthiest, happiest life. Don't forget to check out our playlist on healthy habits you can start today. Your future self will thank you.